few days back I placed an order via Amazon of this particular thing, and there is a particular feature of this device. This is the place which can be stuck on the wall, and here are the batteries which we insert, and then the utility of this particular item is wherever there is dark area of the house at the corner, you place it there on the wall and press it. It will be bright enough for that particular portion of the house. Pretty interesting, I think so. It's available on Amazon, so I bought, and that's it. Thank you.